Shit. Hey guys, I'm Philip from the Honda Resource. Thanks so much for joining me on this episode. Just want to start off the video by saying I appreciate all the recent subscriptions. Man, it means a lot to me. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Thank you to the OGs who've been here for a long time and continue to support the channel. It means so much to me, and I'm so happy to have everyone aboard. A little bit about me is, you know, I have a little Honda repair shop here in Alabama. I do mostly just repairs. I do a little bit of performance, not really a whole lot. I did build the Green Dragon here in my shop, in my backyard, and you know, it's got I've been working through some issues with it. Right now the transmission is broke. If you saw my previous video from Monday, or I think I released it maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, something, I don't know. Anyways, it got broke on Monday when I went over to visit that dude in blue. So I mean, like I said in that video, it's not his fault. You know, stuff happens. You know, we're pushing the limits of a lot of stuff. I do plan to fix it, and it will be, you know, featured here on the channel. So, but today we're gonna be working on Justin's 8th gen Civic SI's turbo. It's one we did a giveaway on several months ago. So you've probably seen this car on the channel before. Yeah, I just want to bring you guys along, kind of show you what we're working through, and keep you in the loop, let you know a little bit about me. And like I said, I'm glad to have everyone here. Well, also, I did want to take a quick second to let everyone know that I do have some Green Dragon t-shirts on my website, thehondaresource.com. If you would like to help the channel out, help me fix the car, that's a good way to do it. I don't have much merch over there, but there's a little bit over there, so if you feel like helping the channel, that's a good way to do it. I'm working on this 8th gen SI. It's the turbo car. It's the one that we did the giveaway on. The owner that won it, he said the transmission was making some kind of bearing noise, so he went and bought another K20Z3 trans. I put all new carbon synchros and stuff in it, so this one's fresh and ready to go in. And so we got to get this trans out and get this swapped over. But right now I've been just trying to knock out some stuff around the shops. I hadn't really recorded much since the video that I posted the other day, which was actually recorded on Monday. Been just trying to get some of these cars out from my shop, because I've got like 30 cars here or something, man. There's tons of cars here, and they just gotta go back and back and back and back. You see they're all Hondas too, right? But yeah, you can see like there's all back here, and they're even more like back behind this tree here and stuff. But they got the hatch over here. Just been more or less just trying to find the time to be able to fix the trans on it. But we'll get there eventually. That's another K-swapped hatch I got to finish up for one of my buddies, Carlos. But yeah, just a lot of stuff going on, and it's more or less just trying to find the time to get back to the hatch. I know you guys love the hatch videos, so whenever I get a chance, I'll get back to it. But I'm gonna try to make up the Import Alliance in Nashville on Saturday, I think the 24th, something like that. But just trying to knock out some of the other stuff around here, clean out the compound per se, and just make room to be able to do more projects, and not necessarily having just all these other repairs and stuff just sitting here waiting. I've had some cars that have been here for months. I know some of you guys are probably following the series on the K24 K20 turbo 6-speed CRV, and this is it, just waiting on parts for it. We did test fit my max ping rod's intake manifold, and it does clear the hood latch where the RBC manifold wouldn't. So I think he's going to actually get the Skunk 2 intake manifold and put it on there. But we're just doing some test fitting with the max ping rods and seeing if it fit. So that's you know, just waiting on parts for that. So just so many projects, and I don't really have, I got guys coming by and help me a little bit, but I'm primarily doing this by myself, and I just do this stuff part-time. I do it, and I work full-time. I work night shift, so I sleep during the day, work at the shop in the evening time, and it just, it's just a full schedule. I'm basically working 2 full-time jobs. But anyways, back to the hatch. Like I said, as soon as I get some other stuff cleared out, we'll get back to this, and I'm probably just going to put it, I've got a stock gear set, probably put that in there just to make it up to the Import Alliance meet. And then it's just a car show, so I won't be doing any kind of racing or anything like that up there. Just be able to cruise around, not make any hits, just taking it easy. So probably just stick stock gear set in it back for that, and then figure out whatever we're going to do with the transmission, get it going. So that's where we're at on that mess. And like I said, just been trying to knock out a bunch of other cars. I think we got like 4 done yesterday, so today's Saturday at the time of this recording. But anyways, we got like 4 of these cars done, several of them gone. Just trying to make some headway. It looks like it's about to storm. Look at these clouds. Whew. Whew. That's out west for me, so generally storms are coming from the west, but yeah. Anyways, at least I got a shop in here, and I can get this crap done. But that's another thing too, man. Just been so busy, like I don't even have time to like keep my shop clean, and I hate this crap, man. Hate it. But that's just an update on where I'm at. So, what's up? The people love you. They always say they learn stuff.
I don't know why.
Because you're always doing nonsense.
It's not nonsense to me. Maybe your stuff's nonsense.
No, I'm talking about all the torment and stuff you're doing to me.
Exactly. I was saying it's not nonsense to me.
Why you say that?
Because I get enjoyment out of it.
You get enjoyment out of it? Why?
I already got something else planned really big.
Like what?
Can't tell you.
These nuts? Oh, here comes the rain.
Dang it.
Alright guys, so I got the transmission out of the Civic. I didn't record any of it, but it's out. There's the Action stage 4 clutch in there, and had to take the turbine housing off to get clearance for this bolt right here. But now we got that transmission out, and this one's ready to go in. So I don't know what time it is. I gotta go to work. 8:15. Yeah. So I don't have time to put it in tonight, so we'll probably have to do that tomorrow. I gotta go in and get a shower and get ready for work. I have to be at work at 10 o'clock, so I have to leave my house at like 9 because I'm about 40 minutes from work. And when you live that far from work, one accident or something can run you late. So I'll try to leave a little bit early. So I'm gonna get a shower, eat a little food. Kane's been over here helping me. You got anything to say about this? No?
It's
just
kind
learn?
of dumb.
Huh?
I had to take all that off.
Yeah.
It was insane.
Yeah, it's definitely a pain with it being turbo. If it's not turbo, it's not as bad. But with this one being turbo, it is a little few extra steps. But we got it done. It didn't take us too long. And hopefully I can get this other transmission stuck back in it tomorrow. And then start messing with the Dragon again. I know you guys want to see the Dragon. Y'all love the Dragon content because it just blows up. I see you guys. I appreciate you. Thanks so much. And hopefully we can get some more Dragon content coming out to you soon. The all-wheel drive Civic. I know you guys are just anxious for that, and I am too. It's just time constraints. I got like 30 cars at my house or something, and just trying to get other people's stuff done. And also, that's how I built the Dragon. It's about fixing other people's cars, and that's the funds that went towards building my car. So I have to still fix other people's stuff to be able to fund my projects. I'm sure you guys can relate to that. So anyways guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you again on another video soon. Make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. Peace.